Bhagamandala, the place sanctified by the presence of the great Bhaganda Muni, and Sri Agastya facilitated the contact between North India and South India, propagating the Siddha system of treatment. Is a confluence of three holy rivers. River Ganga is believed to spring up in the tank at Talakaveri on the Tulasankramana day, signifying the unity between the two regions of our country. Our pilgrimage to the Mulamat of the Samsthan of Varanasi in the North India is a proof of our intimate relationship with the North. The illustrious pontiff of Sri Kashi Math Sansthan have been an ardent protagonist of Ayurveda, demonstrating its effectiveness by practicing it. Many, like Srimad Bhuvanendra Tirtha Swamiji, launched in their Purvashram to the families of great Ayurvedic physicians and tried to patronize Ayurveda.
Vardin Swamake Ayurvedan Atyant Nishnad Tangele Yogasile. Tani Oka Tanikor Chesine Oka Dim Chesine Valkeshwar Mataka Namuasine Valkeshwar Matangela Okad Meltamun Valkeshwar Kashi Matangela Vardin Swami Mukta Jala Sukrden Swamasati Tainta plague in Janpa Damne Oka Diam Kam Swaman Sangina Sukrden Swaman Amkasane got Nam Sodina Swaman Oka Dim Kachi Sodun they were Jumpolon Janika Okada Dabbi Asati the Pity Chamkala Madan Famel Vrindavan and Vardin Famel Prathan Kelly Oka the Mitat heard Kartati Faman singing Nimbi Ampil Diam Dilla Gunjalo.
Srimad Bhuvanendra Tirtha Swamiji is considered to be one of the great patrons of Ayurveda. The successors of the Swamiji too evinced great interest in the system of treatment. Sadguru Srimad Sudhindra Tirtha Swamiji, who shared the intense interest of Srimad Bhuvanendra Tirtha Swamiji in Ayurveda, wished to establish an Ayurvedic herbal garden under the Samsthan to encourage and development of Ayurveda. Though this proposal was considered and discussed for a long time, no concrete steps in this regard were materialized. On the occasion of the celebration of 100th Punyatithi of Srimad Bhuvanendra Tirtha Swamiji at Basarur, and again at the time of the 125th Punyatithi celebration at Koteshwar, Srimad Sudhindra Tirtha Swamiji expressed publicly his desire to have the garden established.
Swamal Manna Swamal teacher Kasali, Swamal Swartuna Tantu, Temanavara Bonin Swamal Priti Kelari, Bonin Swamal Prityartha Kelari. समाजाक भरेपणाका रंजता बोनेन स्वाम्याल अनुग्रह प्राप्त जाता थी तें स्वाम्याल इच्छा.
Srimad Samyamendra Tirtha Swamiji, aware of the Guru's great liking and regard for Ayurveda and abiding faith in its efficacy, his wish to have a herbal garden established under the mud, has taken up the matter and trying to honor and fulfill the Guru's wish with commitment and determination as a true Shishya, and chosen Bhagamandala in Malnad for locating this, and the project is being executed in right earnest. The formal inauguration of Srimad Bhuvanendra Ayurvedic Vrikshavatika at Bhagamandala was performed on 6th of November 2016, along with the installation of the idol of Srimad Bhuvanendra Tirtha Swamiji by the divine hands of Srimad Samyamendra Tirtha Swamiji, the Matadipati of Sri Kashi Math Samsthan.
रघुनाथपदाम्बुजभृङ्गवरं सुकृतीन्द्रयते करकञ्जभवं सततं प्रणमामि सुधीन्द्रयतिं सततं प्रणमामि सुधीन्द्रयतिं.
Shivarden Swamane, Sukurden Swamane, Amgel Swamane, तुम्ही कळता तशी एक प्रिती जावन तांगेले सगळे गुरू परंपरेचे अनुग्रहान आयचे दिसा केले नसा तातूंत बोनेन समाल विशेष रुपार प्रितीचे खातीर अनुग्रहा खातीर तुमी सर्वेय मेळ्ळा ती तुमकां सर्वांकय समाजाक बोनेन स्वाम्यालो तशीच सर्वे गुरू परंपरेचो तातूंत आमगेल्या स्वाम्याल विशेष अनुग्रह प्राप्ती जावो व्यास रघुपतील अनुग्रह प्राप्ती जावो खंयचेच आमगेले दोश जालेले आसचे ते निवारण जावो हाज्यान मुखार व्हड एक जबाबदारी आनी हें पळोवचे खातीर मुखार थंय आनेक जाग आसा थंय तें वाड्डोवप न्हू मुखार आमगेली चिंत म्हळ्यार स्वाम्याक आमगेलेय जाम नासिन आमकां आनी आयुर्वेदांत गवेशण कसलेंय जालें ना आमगेल्यांत मस्त गवेशण जमचें जशीच जामकां हें सर्वेय जामकां ते एक व्हड क्षेत्रांत तशी देवान व्यास रघुपती नरसिंहान समाजाच्यान करचें स्वामी येता ती वता ती जालें स्वामी भोमत आसता समाजाक जबाबदार आसा सर्वांनी मेळ तातूंत हे कामान कांजांगाडचें आसा पुतूरचें आसा सुळ्याचें आसा मरवान मंगळूरचें आसा पुराय जाणांनी मेळ केलें नासा आनी कितें जाल्यार सर्वांनी मेळ प्रितीन हें काम विशेष रुपार आनी वैभवान जमचें तशीच आज्यान आमगेल्या समाजाक विशेष रुपार देवता अनुग्रह प्राप्ती जमची तशी व्यास रघुपती नरसिंहान तशी भगंतेश्वरान तशीच कावेरी माला महालक्ष्मी चमका ते महालक्ष्मीन जलरी अनुग्रह कोरका म्हूण पुनः स्वाम्याली जलरी प्रार्थना करून रबेतात.
Approximately 500 varieties and 7,000 plants have been planted, which includes all varieties of medical plants, herbs and trees. Srimad Bhuvanendra Ayurvedic Vikshavatika is spread across more than 40 acres land, including 2 plots and paddy field, and have medical plants that are rare and listed in the International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN) as endangered, critical, threatened, etc. We have conserved, preserved and maintained the trees which are already available in the land and have not disturbed the nature for the herbal garden. All efforts have been taken in preserving the biodiversity. The dense evergreen forest is maintained as it is at few places in our herbal garden which spread across few acres. Hortus Malabaricus, Garden of Malabar, is a 12-volume book published in the year 1678, contributed by our GSB's Ayurvedic Pandits Sri Ranga Bhatt, Sri Vinayaka Pandit and Sri Appu Bhatt. It contains 720 medical plants. Our aim is to plant all the plants mentioned in the book. We have planted almost all plants mentioned in the Vedic Vanas like Navagraha Vana, Panchavati Vana, Nakshatra Vana, Nandana Vana, Rasi Vana, Saptarishi Vrata Vana, Santana Vana, Shiva Panchayatana Vana, Shri Siddhi Vinayaka Vrata Vana, Ashoka Vana, Brindavana, Saraswati Vrata Vana, Shri Varalakshmi Vrata Vana, Shri Satyanarayana Vrata Vana, Shri Uma Maheshwari Vrata Vana, Shri Narasimha Jayanti Vrata Vana. This area is part of Brahmagiri Hills of Western Ghats. Centuries ago, sage Agastya Muni did tapasya. Hence, this part of Western Ghats is sacred and full of medical plants. More than 75 varieties of medical plants already exist in our land.
सर्वे जनाः सुखिनो भवन्तु, सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्. ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः.